Introducing Sanilab, the first multifunctional cart. A mobile cleaning station designed to optimize operational efficiency, developed based on the needs and experience of professionals in the food and beverage industry. Its structure, along with hooks, clips, and trays, is made from materials that comply with international food safety standards, ensuring strength, durability, and maximum hygiene. Its design features smooth surfaces and rounded edges that minimize bacteria buildup, providing a safe and efficient solution. The station has capacity for more than 12 tools, as well as chemicals and buckets. It is available in 5 colors, facilitating the implementation of color-coded cleaning programs. Its compact size allows for easy movement in tight spaces, passing through doors and corridors without difficulty. Sanilab stands out for its versatility, as it can be adapted into 3 models depending on the needs of each sector. Sanimed for clinics and hospitals. Sanifood for the food industry. Sanipro for institutions and offices. Whatever your need, Sanilab is the solution. An Italympia product.